Hello. I picked up this Graymark binary clock. I figured it would go with my collection, as it uses vintage technology to drive it. 7400 series TTL. And I initially plugged it in. It was running great, kept perfect time. I put it in my display cabinet like a week later, and it was still running fine until I turned on my TV, which is in close proximity. It began then counting very fast. You can see the seconds counting twice as fast. So I'll post this video, and I'll show you the modifications I made inside. As you know, TTL technology, the 7490 counters, they're very sensitive. So I'll show you what was going on with a couple little clips. Sorry for the clarity. It's the camera I have. That's all I have. I'll try and post some stills so you can see what I did. A couple of diagrams maybe, and it might be an upgrade you want to do to your Graymark clock if you have one. If you notice it's running fast, it's due to line noise. It's in the pulse shaping circuit. Two transistors are put together kind of, I guess, like an amplifying circuit, and it carries through noise. And it turns out, I think it's the switching power supplies in the TV that are carrying through the signal, and thus making the clock run fast. So hang in there, and we'll get you going with some more stuff on this. So this video is an afterthought. The clock's been up and running fine since. So I just want to give you probably a summary of what I ended up doing. There's probably a simpler way. I mounted the two ICs on a perf board. You know, by pulling U2 out of its socket, I figured I'd just tap into that socket for most of the connections, so I wasn't really modifying the clock too much. In hindsight, it's probably better just leaving U2 in place. Go over where the hold switch leads, go to the PCB and remove one of the hold switch leads. Tap and grab a 60 Hertz there that feeds U2, and in turn feed that to the 7414 through the diode, through the voltage divider, and then the output of that 7414 feed back to the clock in of U2. And that way you're only mounting one IC on a perf board. You can grab your power and ground, or the flexible leads go between the two boards, and there's already a solder joint there. You just tap in on those, and it's pretty clean probably if you were to do it that way. So if I were to do it again, I would just put the 7414 on a perf board, make all the necessary attachments, and it wouldn't really hack up the clock that bad. So hopefully this video helped you. The little bit of searching I did on these on the binary on the Graymark clock online, I was trying to find a schematic. No luck. If somebody has one, I'd appreciate it. But I did find other people having issues with this clock running fast, so this may help. Any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try and get back to you. Thank you, good luck.